Folum Gaelic, learn Irish. Ceacht a Jack, Lesson 10. Réochel, prepositions. Ig means at. Agam, at me. Agat, at you. Ige, at him. Aki, at her. Ugging, at us. Ugiv, at you, plural. Aku, at them. Aberchi, sentences. Tá pan ag cahal. Charles has a pen. On will arigel of it. Have you got money? Kajay ta ugat. What have you got? Ta ej ugam. I have an idea. On will Gaelic ugat. Can you speak Irish? Tá cúpla focal ugam. I can speak a few words. Tá Gaelic Lifa Egi. He speaks Irish fluently. Tá Fanya or Egi. He has a gold fanya. Tá Kota more Aki. She has a new coat. Támid ag all. We are drinking. Tá sé éisca egi. It's easy for him. Támid ag ri. We are running. Inish tá tú gara. Now you're laughing. Níl am ugging. We have no time. Guramai ugat. Thank you. Tá súil ugam. I hope. Tá súil ugam go mbeidh tú slán. I hope that you will be safe. Tá cart ugat. You are right. Tá mí cart ugat. You are wrong. Níl ciall acu. They have no sense. Bíú ciall ugat. Have some sense. Sin a bhfuil a cairde. That's all, folks. Slán agaibh. Goodbye. They may arash. I'll be back.